Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to improve audio recording quality on XIAOMI 14T Pro. So firstly, go into settings, into Google Play Store. Now tap on search bar and Dolby. Now install the Dolby on app. Now tap on open. I'm going to skip this part, not now, no thanks. And now I will just start a audio recording. You can also start a video recording here. Now I'm also going to finish it very quickly. And now in the bottom left corner you're going to see your gallery, so let's head there. Here is the recording that I have just made. And if this icon is colorful, it means the audio is being played with effects of Dolby on app. But if you press on this button and this icon turns gray, it means the audio is going to be played raw. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have no questions, let us know in the comments.